Socializing 75. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for Muslims to offer advice correctly and sincerely, as this is an aspect of Islam, according to a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 4204. In lawful matters, an aspect of this is that a Muslim should give advice based on the character of the one seeking the advice, instead of basing it on their own character. This is in fact a tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, who gave different advice when questioned about the same thing from different people. This is important as people are different, and what one person finds bearable another might not, so it is best to give advice based on the questioner's character. This attitude will reduce the chances of one giving a biased opinion which is tailored to their own character and way of life. In addition, in lawful matters in most cases it is best not to directly advise people what to do. Instead they should be advised and aided in putting together a list of pros and cons to each possible choice, and then make an informed decision based on this list. This will most likely lead to a better and satisfactory outcome, and it prevents a person blaming their advisor in the future, as they did not advise them directly by telling them to choose a specific option. Finally, a person should never be ashamed of admitting they are unsure about a matter, and should advise others to seek advice from someone more qualified if necessary.